Why is 2025 the year of AI? AI is exploding. Gartner predicts 80% of companies will use AI by next year. Plus, tools are so user-friendly now, you can start with zero tech experience. For example, an AI consultant might help a bakery use AI to predict inventory needs, saving them thousands. At $100 per hour, 5 clients paying for 10 hours a month gets you $5,000. That's the hustle we're building today. Ready for the steps? Hey squad, let's talk about getting paid in 2025. Imagine this. You're sipping coffee, working from your laptop, and pulling in $5,000 a month as an AI consultant. No cubicle, no boss, just you calling the shots. Sound like a dream? It's not. AI consulting is the hottest side hustle for 2025, and you don't need a PhD or a tech degree to cash in. Today, I'm dropping a step-by-step blueprint to become an AI consultant, with free tips and tools to hit that $5,000 per month mark. Let's dive in. So, what's an AI consultant? Picture yourself as a tech matchmaker. You help businesses use AI to solve problems, like automating tasks, boosting sales, or analyzing data. You're not coding AI from scratch. You're recommending tools, setting up workflows, or training teams. Think of it as a side hustle, where you're paid to make businesses smarter. Forbes says the AI consulting market's growing 30% yearly, hitting $1.2 trillion by 2030. In 2025, small businesses are desperate for AI help but can't afford big firms, so freelancers like you can charge $50 to $150 an hour. Step 1. Learn AI basics for free. You don't need to be a tech genius, just understand how AI tools work and what they can do for businesses. Start with free courses on platforms like Coursera or edX. Coursera's AI for Everyone by deeplearning.ai is a 6-hour course that breaks down AI concepts like machine learning and chatbots in plain English. It's 100% free to audit, no credit card needed. You'll learn terms like, quote, natural language processing and see how AI boosts profits, which you'll pitch to clients. Next, explore real-world AI tools. Sign up for free tiers of tools like Google's Vertex AI or IBM Watson to understand their features. For example, Vertex A, I can analyze customer data for a retail client, helping them target ads better. Spend 10 hours a week for a month on these courses and tools, and you'll know enough to sound legit. Pro tip: join AI communities on X or Reddit to pick up jargon and trends. It's like eavesdropping on the future. The goal? Be confident enough to say, I can save you time with AI. Step 2. Pick a niche and build skills. AI consulting's broad, so focus on one industry, like retail, fitness, or education, where you can solve specific problems. For example, in retail, you could help stores use AI to predict inventory needs. In fitness, you might set up chatbots for gym client bookings. Retable's 2025 AI report says niche consultants earn 20% more because they're seen as experts. Choose a niche you vibe with or have experience in, like if you've worked in hospitality, target hotels. Build niche skills with free resources. Use YouTube tutorials to learn tools like Zapier for automation or chatbot.com for client engagement. For example, Zapier's free plan lets you connect apps to automate a retailer's email marketing. Practice setting up a mock workflow, like linking a store's sales data to an AI analytics tool. This takes 5 to 10 hours to master. Also, read industry blogs on X to spot pain points, like how gyms lose clients due to poor follow-ups. Your pitch becomes, my AI setup keeps your clients coming back. Niche down, skill up, win big. Step 3. Land clients with free tools. You don't need a fancy website, just free tools and hustle. First, find clients on platforms like Upwork, LinkedIn, or local business groups on X. Search for small businesses in your niche, like fitness studios or online stores, needing AI help. A Deloitte report says 60% of small businesses plan to adopt AI in 2025, so the demand's there. Use Notion's free plan to organize your client leads. Create a board with columns for contacted, pitched, and follow-up. Next, craft killer pitches with Copy.ai's free plan, 2,000 words per month. Write a pitch email like, I can use AI to automate your bookings, saving you 10 hours a week. Copy.ai suggests persuasive tones to hook clients. Send 10 pitches a week, aiming for one $500 per month client to start. Charge hourly, $50 to $100, or per project, $200 to $1,000. Land 5 clients at $1,000 each, and you're at $5,000 per month. Hustle tip: offer a free 30-minute consult to build trust. It's a game changer. Step 4. Deliver results and scale your hustle. Once you've got clients, use free AI tools to wow them. For example, set up a free Google Analytics 4 account to track a client's website performance. Then use AI tools like Power BI's free tier to visualize data. Show a retail client how their sales spiked 15% after your AI-driven ad targeting. Or use ManyChat's free plan to build a chatbot for a gym, automating client signups. These setups take 2 to 3 hours and make you look like a pro. To scale, raise your rates as you gain experience. $150 per hour is common for niche consultants. Add more clients or offer retainers, like $500 per month for ongoing AI support. Reinvest profits into premium tools, like HubSpot's $30 per month plan for advanced automation. The catch? Time management. Don't overpromise. Start with 1 to 2 clients to avoid burnout. Deliver value, and word of mouth will grow your hustle to that $5,000 per month mark. There's your hustle blueprint, fam. Step 1. Learn AI basics with free courses. Step 2. Pick a niche and skill up. Step 3. Land clients with Notion and Copy.ai. Step 4. Deliver results and scale to $5,000 a month. Their Consulting's your chance to outrun the 9-to-5 and build a life you love in 2025. Start small. Take 1 Coursera course this week, and you could be pitching clients by next month. The only catch? You gotta act NN, or someone else will snatch your spot. Which step are you starting with? Drop it in the comments and share your 2025 hustle goals. Thanks for vibing with me. Let's make 2025 our year.